welcome back. I'm going to get this Sportster all blacked out. Everything that's chrome or silver is about to get painted black, and I'm going to get it all reassembled, get it done. Plan was to finish this Softail up and that be the next video, but he ended up adding some extra parts, and I mean, it's a good thing that he did. He added rocker box covers. Got to take the tank off to do that. He added the transmission cover and the cam cover. I would have to pull the exhaust back off to do that, so it makes sense to do all these things now. You know, he also ordered a primary cover, so because of that, to save us having to go back and do this stuff later, we're just going to hold. We're waiting on these parts to get here. They're supposed to be here July 29th is the date. So his bike's just on hold, just kind of sitting. You're getting a sneak peek of the next video because all this stuff is done in the next video. I've been working on it for a few days. Gonna just go ahead and finish up my wife's Sportster. All that's left is a few little engine covers, little side aftermarket engine covers that go on there, and the air cleaner. And that's it. After that, I can start getting everything put back together. I just put another couple of coats of clear on the tank. I touched up one little spot in the black work. No big deal. Nobody else would notice, but it was bothering the hell out of me. So I went ahead and redid the tank. I re-cleared the tank and touched up a spot in the airbrush. But that's it. Going to finish this 40. Alright everybody, so my wife wants to help finish the job up. We just got to install the headlight and this crash bar. Most of the time a bobber would not have a crash bar, but she ain't riding without this thing because I got like 40 hours in that tank. And if she drops it, I will actually cry. So we are going to install this, the headlight, and fuel filter, fuel line, all that, and job will be done. So to install the crash bar, these ones come off. Those are 9/16. And up here, that is T, who the hell knows? T something. So that's it, those 4 bolts will put the crash bar on.